Hello students. In the previous two lecture sessions, we had taken a few problems related to Maclaurin series, and today in this session we shall solve a few problems related to Taylor series expansion for a function of one variable. The Taylor series expansion is given by y of x equals y of a plus x minus a y1 of a plus x minus a the whole square by 2 factorial y2 of a and so on. In some textbooks, instead of y of x you would have f of x, and instead of y1 of a you would have f dash of a, which means that you are differentiating the given function with respect to x. Now let's take an example. Obtain the Taylor series expansion of log x to base c about x equal to 1 up to the terms containing the fourth degree. That means we have to go up to x minus a whole power 4 divided by 4 factorial y4 of a. So let's begin. So given y of x equals log x to base e, so we have to put x equal to 1. So y of 1 equals log 1 to base e, which is 0. So you have y of 1 equals 0. Next, what is y1 of x? Differential of log x, which is 1 by x. So y1 of 1 equals 1 by 1, which is 1. So we have y1 of 1 equals 1. Next, y2 of x is differential of 1 by x, which is minus 1 by x square. So y2 of 1 equals minus 1. So you're going to put x equal to 1, you get minus 1. So therefore y2 of 1 equals 1 with a minus sign. Next, y3 of x equals, so you're going to differentiate minus 1 by x square. So minus 1 by x square, so observe here y2 of x can be written as minus of x power minus 2. So you would have minus of minus 2 into x power minus 2 minus 1, which will give me 2 divided by x power 3. So it is x power minus 3, so I bring it to the denominator, you get x power 3. So y3 of 1 is 2 by 1, which is 2. So y3 of 1 is 2. Now we have to go a step further. What is y4 of x? So again you have y3 of x, which is 2 into, so y3 of x is nothing but 2 into x power minus 3. So you have 2 into minus 3 into x power minus 4. So which is minus 6 divided by x power 4. So what is y4 of 1? You get minus 6. So y4 of 1 is minus 6. So now we have obtained all the values y1, y2, y3 and y4 because we had to find the Taylor series expansion up to the fourth degree. So now let us substitute all these values in the given formula. So y of x is nothing but log x to base e, which is equal to y of 1 is 0 plus x minus, so here a is nothing but 1 into y1 of a is 1 plus x minus 1 the whole square divided by 2 factorial, y2 of 1 is minus 1 plus x minus 1 the whole cube divided by 3 factorial into 2 plus x minus 1 power 4 by 4 factorial into minus 6, right? So now let us see what happens. Log x to base e equals x minus 1 plus x minus 1 the whole square divided by 2 plus x minus 1 the whole cube. So factorial 3 is 2 into 3, 2 and 2 gets cancelled, so you get divided by 3 minus, so factorial 4 is 2 into 3 into 4, so 6 gets cancelled, so you got x minus 1 whole power 4 divided by 4, and of course here this is negative, right? So minus 1 into plus 1 is minus. So this is the final answer. The next problem, expand tan inverse x in powers of x minus 1 up to terms x power 4. So we have to extend up to x minus a whole power 4 divided by 4 factorial y4 of a, right? So now So observe that we have to find the value for a equal to 1, right? So a is equal to 1 here. So similarly, what is y of 1, which is tan inverse 1, which is pi by 4, right? So we have y of 1 equals pi by 4. Next, what is y1 of x, which is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. So put x equal to 1. So you get y1 of 1 equals 1 by 2. So y1 of 1 equals 1 by 2. To find y2 of x, we have to differentiate this expression. So to make things easier, let me take this term to LHS. So I get y1 into 1 plus x square equals 1. So now let me differentiate this expression. So you have y1 into differential of this term is 2x plus 1 plus x square, differential of y1 is y2 equal to 0. Now put x equal to 1 in this expression. So you get 2 into 1 into y1 of 1 is 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 2 into y2 of 1 equals 0. So 2 gets cancelled. So this is 1. So y2 of 1 is nothing but minus 1 by 2. So let me write it here. y2 of 1 is minus 1 by 2. Next, you have the expression 2x y1 plus 1 plus x square y2 equal to 0. Now differentiate this again. 2x into y2 plus 2y1 plus first function 1 plus x square into differential of y2 is y3 plus y2 into differential of this is 2x equal to 0. So you have 2x y2, 2x y2. So it becomes 4x y2 plus 2y1 plus 1 plus x square y3 equals 0. So again put x equal to 1. So we get 4 into y2 of 1 is minus half plus 2 into y1 of 1 is 1 by 2 plus 2 into y3 of 1 equals 0. So this is minus 2, this is 1, right? So minus 2 plus 1 plus 2 y3 of 1 equals 0. So this is minus 1, goes to the other side, it becomes plus 1. So therefore y3, what is y3 of 1? It is nothing but 1 by 2. So I have y3 of 1 equals 1 by 2. Now we need to go a step further because we have to find up to x power 4. Find the terms up to x power 4. So now let me differentiate this expression. 4x into y3 plus 4y2, differential of x is 1, plus 2y2 plus 1 plus x square, differential of y3 is y4, plus y3 into differential of this is 2x equals 0. So you have 4x y3, 2x y3, so it is 6x y3 plus 4 plus 2 is 6 y2. So you have 6 y2 plus 1 plus x square y4 equals 0. So now you put x equal to 1 in this expression. 6 into y3 of 1 is 1 by 2 plus 6 into y2 of 1 is minus half plus 1 plus 1 is 2 into y4 of 1 equal to 0. So observe, this is 3, this is minus 3. So 3 minus 3 becomes 0. So 2 plus 2 into y4 of 1 equals 0. So what is y4 of 1? It is equal to 0. So we get the value as 0. So y4 of 1 equals 0. So now let us substitute all these values in the given expression. Y of x is nothing but tan inverse x equals, what is y of 1? Pi by 4 plus x minus 1 into y1 of 1 is 1 by 2 plus x minus 1 the whole square divided by 2 factorial is 2 into y2 of 1 is minus half plus x minus 1 the whole square divided by 3 factorial is 6 into 1 by 2 plus 0 because y4 of 1 is 0. So you have pi by 4 plus x minus 1 by 2 minus x minus 1 the whole square divided by 4 plus, so this is 6 into 2 is 12, x minus 1 the whole cube. So this is tan inverse x. So we can further simplify this. You can just take 1 by 2 common from these three expressions. You get x minus 1 minus x minus 1 the whole square divided by 2 plus x minus 1 the whole cube divided by 6. The next one, find the Taylor series expansion of cos x about the point x equal to pi by 3 up to terms x power 4. So what is y of x? Y of x is nothing but cos x. So put x equal to pi by 3 here. So y of pi by 3 is equal to cos pi by 3, which is equal to 1 by 2. So y of pi by 3 equals 1 by 2. Next, y1 of x, which is differential of cos x, that is minus sin x. So y1 of pi by 3 equals minus sin pi by 3, which is minus root 3 by 2. So y1 of pi by 3 is minus root 3 by 2. Next, y2 of x is nothing but differential of sin x is cos x with a minus sign. So you have cos x here. So let's complete this. y3 of x is differential of cos x, which is minus sin x. Minus into minus is plus, so I get sin x. And then y4 of x is differential of sin x, which is cos x. So y2 of pi by 3 is nothing but minus 1 by 2. And y3 of pi by 3 is nothing but sin pi by 3, which is root 3 by 2. And then y4 of pi by 3 is again 1 by 2. So we have all these values. Let's substitute them. So we have y of x is nothing but cos x equals y of pi by 3 is 1 by 2. And then minus x minus pi by 3 into root 3 by 2. And then you have x minus pi by 3 the whole square divided by 2 factorial, which is 2. And what is y2? y2 is minus half. So you have a minus sign here into 1 by 2. And then you have the remaining two terms are positive plus x minus pi by 3 the whole cube divided by 3 factorial is 6 into, so you have root 3 by 2 here plus x minus pi by 3 the whole power 4 divided by 4 factorial is 24 into 1 by 2. So you have 1 by 2 minus x minus pi by 3 into root 3 by 2. And here you have x minus pi by 3 the whole square divided by 1 by 2 into 2 here. So you have 2 into 2, which is 4. And then here you have 6 into 2, which is 12. So you get divided by 12. And then you have 24 into 2, which is 48. So I get 48 here. To view problems related to Maclaurin series, click on the link given in the description. So in the next video segment, we shall solve some more problems related to Taylor series expansion. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications of all the further uploads. And thanks for watching.